hope that it bless your heart, hope that it keeps your heart in tune, and that you will choose God over the devil. Because many persons know they are choosing the devil in some ways that not even they know. But I hope that we will be sensitive unto God, because God is our creator. And He made us to worship Him and Him only to worship. And tonight it's a privilege to be here. So say or to sing this song to those in the reach of my voice. To know, to tell you that God still loves you, no matter what you have done, no matter where you have gone, no matter how difficult the situation gets, God still loves you. You must know that God is even here by your side, because He never leaves you, because He loves you. Ready, brothers? You know what? It was a lonely night, and a night like this, when I lay down on my bed, and I thought about the God I serve and all I am going through. But as the memories rushed down through my mind, it brought tears onto my pillow. Said to myself that I must rise and go and testify. So mine was made to serve God, and together we live forever. Mine was made to serve God, and together we live forever. Upon this earth in which I tried to teach the words of God. My Bible is my only shield, and the music is my rod. I wish mankind would hear my voice and listen when God calls. But all they do is carry on like they don't care at all. So man was made to serve God. On this earth on which I tried to teach the word of God. My Bible is my only shield, and the music is my rod. I wish mankind would hear my voice and listen when God calls. But all they do is carry on like they don't care at